Cooks. Today we're making my favorite Sloppy Joes. And we're going to be doing our first run in the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro. This thing does it all. We're going to see how it performs. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, we're going to start the Ninja off on the saute setting. So let's go ahead and turn it on saute. So we're just going to power it on. We're going to 1 down for sear saute. And this is on high. I'm going to start it on that just because I'm not really familiar with the cooker and how hot it's going to get. I might switch that down to low as we go to cook the meat. So let's get this heated up. Okay, so we're going to put some olive oil in here because we got to do us some sauteing. And we're going to be sauteing some onions. Okay, so we have some green bell pepper. This recipe is up on my website. This is my favorite Sloppy Joes. And we're going to saute a jumper. We're going to saute this up till they soften. So I'm going to squeeze like 1,000 cloves of garlic in here. That's 250. That's 500.
Let's go for 2,000.
750. That's 750. And 1,000 cloves. And I'm going to put 1.5 pounds ground turkey in here. You can use beef, turkey, whatever you like. Go for it. And we're going to be scrambling this up. This is the job for my meat chopper here. Chop this up, chop this up, chop it. Up. Little salt. Little pepper, or a lot. I'm going to saute this up until it's like 80% done. Okay, we're going to make our sauce here for the Sloppy Joes. I got ketchup here. We got some brown sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
We got a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire.
See how intricate she measures?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have some dry mustard.
Yay.
I have some granulated garlic.
Gotta have that.
And I have a splash of sriracha or 2.
Well, that was a splash, all right.
Okay, so we're going to put our sauce into the Ninja. The Ninja Possible Cooker Pro. If you use this, does that mean you're a pro cook?
I mean, it is a nice size. You can get a bunch of stuff in there.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I like all the cycles on it, and I like the fact that it sautés. Because a lot of slow cookers don't do that.
You can't get brown or anything.
So we're going to put this in here. This is such an easy meal, and your kids will love it. So we're just going to put this, I think, on low, and we'll cook it for maybe 15 minutes. Okay, it's looking really good. I'm going to place one of these racks in here because I'm like that. Because we had this discussion, like, with Sloppy Joes, do you want toasted buns? I said steam, so I'm just going to put those on the rack. I'm going to put them in here, see how that steam comes up, and we're going to steam those buns really quick. Okay, I think this is looking pretty good. This sloppy joes, they're actually better the next day. Woo,
Here,
woo,
you.
woo, 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 woo.
Yeah, here.
I got it. Ooh, looks good. Looks good on the sloppy joe.
Mm-hmm.
Got a steamed bun here.
Mm-hmm.
We got some sloppy joe going on. Yum. You hungry, boo?
Maybe.
I love me some turkey sloppy joe. So there we go.
Give a fork or you go get it.
How's that look? Looks pretty nice. You want to taste? Come join us. This is gonna sloppy joe all over me. Huh. Very hot. This is so good. Like I said, overnight, the next day, it's delicious. Even more delicious. Yeah.
A pickle. What if it needs a pickle?
Might need a pickle.
This is right, boo.
The Ninja, so far, gets my thumbs up.
Yeah.
I see why people like it. Yeah, if you see one of these, pick it up. We're going to cook in it some more. But on this first run, it did an amazing job. I'm on my way to eat my sloppy joe. Thanks for joining me.